Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you how to get notification when specific contact sends SMS Android so you never miss an important message again. This simple customization will help you identify who is texting you just by the sound of the alert. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to go to the Message app on your device, which is the primary tool used for all your daily texting and conversations. Opening this app allows you to access your full list of message threads so you can begin customizing individual alert settings for your contacts. Step 2 is to then choose a specific contact's message from your conversation list to open the chat history you share with them. By selecting a particular person, you ensure that the notification changes you make will only apply to that specific individual rather than your entire inbox. Step 3 is to then go to the contact's name, which is located at the very top of the chat window. Tapping on this name opens a detailed settings menu for that specific person where you can manage their profile information and specific interaction preferences. Step 4 is to then click notifications to open the sub-menu that controls how your phone alerts you to incoming messages from this person. This area is important because it allows you to override the default system settings to create a unique experience for this specific contact. Step 5 is to then select sound, which is located within the notification settings, to view the library of available ringtones and alert tones. This step is where you begin the process of assigning a unique audio cue that will play only when this specific person sends you a text. Step 6 is to then choose the specific sound you want to add from the list provided and confirm your selection. This is the final step that ensures you will immediately recognize their messages by ear without even having to look at your phone screen. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.